If you want to start making money online, you need to understand the actual foundations necessary to make money online. My name's Amanda and I started my marketing agency over 16 years ago as a single mom of 5 very young kids, which means for the last 16 years, business owners have been paying me to do their marketing online. Now we teach you everything you need to do that on your own. And that's exactly what we're covering today. What you need to do to make money online as a beginner. The exact steps you need to take to get started so you can start making money online quickly. And the first step is actually understanding digital marketing and how you can use it to make sales. Once you nail this, it's going to help you make money online over and over and over again. So we're going to jump right into this important foundation of making money online.
Okay, here's what we're going to cover. We're going to cover what digital marketing is, how you can use it to make money online, and what you need to do to get started today. What is digital marketing? If you're anything like me or any other person, you've heard this concept of digital marketing. How you're going to make money online is digital marketing. If you've been on TikTok or Instagram in the last year, everybody all of a sudden became a digital marketer. So what is digital marketing and how can we use it to make money online? First, I want you to understand digital marketing is anything that is done to promote or advertise a product or service online. That's digital marketing. So whether you're doing sending emails, posting content on social media, running ads on social media, building a website, building a funnel, all of that is digital marketing. When you think of digital marketing, I want you to understand that it's just how we market a business online. If you take traditional marketing, right? We used to do radio ads and TV ads and newspaper ads and billboards. That was just marketing. We're now taking those concepts of what we need to do to grow a business, and we're doing that online instead of a traditional sense. Digital marketing is everything done to market a business online. And it really is the key to making money online because you have to learn how to market your business online. 3 ways that you can use digital marketing. The first way is what I would call what a true digital marketer is. That is somebody like myself. I offer marketing as a service to another business. Think about it like 10 years ago, if a business wanted to go do radio advertising, they would go to the radio station and have the radio station do the radio advertising for them, right? We do the same thing. We build websites for people. We run people's social media ads. We do their social media content. We do their email marketing, all that sort of stuff. Businesses pay us to handle their online marketing. So that's the first way that you can actually make money online, is if you know how to do marketing for other businesses, they can pay you to do that. Second would be you promote or sell a product or service that you create. We do this as well, right? So if we are teaching something, we're creating a product that we're promoting and selling online. If you create t-shirts or journals, so those would be physical products. If you make jewelry, if you own a brick and mortar store, so a physical location, maybe you own a salon or you own a retail store where people can come in, or a restaurant. Anything you're doing to promote or sell your services online, that is the second way that you can make money with digital marketing. So you have a service that you've created or a product that you created, and you're promoting and selling it using online methods. The third way that you can make money online is to promote and sell a product that someone else created. This is what we usually call affiliate marketing. I am going to go on a little sidebar here in a minute, but understanding that you can build an audience. Say you build an audience of people that own dogs, and then you can sell them dog treats that then you get a commission off of. The person who's selling the dog treats wants to sell it to your audience, and they're willing to pay you a commission on that. That is affiliate marketing. One of the big things we're seeing in this space right now that I'm just going to say right now is not my favorite way to do it, is with this master resale rights movement. The reason why I don't like it is because I think you are better off building something of your own, something that you are passionate about, and building a business around that. I don't think buying a course just to resell a course is going to give you the business longevity and growth that you need to have the stability for your family. Let me tell you, there are huge opportunities in digital marketing. Digital marketing allows you to build a business and make money online from anywhere you are. Because remember, it's anything done to promote a business online. If you would like to become a social media manager and you're really good at social media and you can manage other people's social media accounts, that's digital marketing. If you're really good at SEO and you get people to rank higher for other businesses, that's digital marketing. But if you create a product or a course or a community around something that you're passionate about and want to sell, or if you create an ebook that you want to sell, or even a physical product that you want to sell, all of that allows you, with the skills of digital marketing, to be able to make money online.
So now that you understand that digital marketing is simply a set of skills that you can learn and master and get better at over time, you understand that this is an important foundation of making money online. But you need to know exactly what problem you solve, who you solve it for, and how you're going to translate all of those things into actual dollars and cents for your business. So the next foundation we need to really understand is the problem we're solving and who we're solving it for. We're going to get into that in this next training to show you the next important part of making money online.
What is your business? What type of business can we create that aligned with your skills, your interests, your expertise, that actually people want to buy? Then we're going to talk about what problem you solve, understanding that people pay money to get their problems solved. So we're going to take a look at what their existing or current situation is and how do we get them to their desired situation. And then we need to understand who we are selling to. Who is the specific person that we want to reach out to and buy our products? And last, we need to understand exactly what we're selling and what that offer is all about. Let's talk about the 3 ways that you can determine what your business is going to be about. This is your business topic or niche. This is what we're going to be talking about all the time. For me, my business niche is digital marketing, right? I teach digital marketing, or we do digital marketing for other businesses. So that would be something based off of my profession. This is the skill set that I have, or if you have a skill set that you want to learn, you can build a business around that. So think marketing or accounting, things that are an actual skill set that you're going to be doing for someone else, generally speaking, or teaching someone else very specifically how to do a very specific skill set. If you are a master of Excel spreadsheets, you could make a business about how to use Excel. Okay, so that is about a skill set you have. Second would be around a pain, something that you yourself have overcome or you've helped someone else overcome. So those of you that are in the fitness and nutrition industry, so think weight loss. This is where you're at. You're helping someone overcome a pain. You're helping them learn the skills that it takes to overcome that pain. Life coaching would fit in here as well, if you're helping people get to a more desired place in their life. And then the third way is around a passion. And this one, I think, is what is getting me so excited. And I'm going to talk in the bonus training after this. I'm going to talk about exactly what I would do if I had to start all over again. But in your passion, I want you to think about something that you love or interests you, or you really like talking about a lot, right? So think knitting or hiking or dogs, all those sorts of things. Those are things around our passions. Maybe you're really passionate about music. All those sorts of things are around a passion. So those are the 3 different ways that we can start to determine what our business is going to be about. A skill set we have, something we've overcome, or something we are truly passionate about. I do believe that this is the first time in history where the idea of building a business around your passion, something you're super passionate about, is super attainable for most people. The next step, after we decide what our business topic is going to be, then we have to define the problem we are going to solve for our niche. Look at the common pain points people have within that topic, right? If I was going to be a dog trainer, I might look at people get puppies and they don't know how to train their puppy, right? So that would be a problem that I can solve within a niche, right? Within a topic. If I'm really into dog training and I want to teach courses on dog training, that would be a problem I can solve. A problem I solve is people don't know how to make money online. They don't know how to market their business online. So they're not getting sales from their marketing. That's the problem, right? So I want you to take a look at the problem you solve. What our goal is to take someone from their current situation and take them to their desired situation. So the first thing is you have to look at what is their desired outcome. For most of the people going through this course, your desired outcome might be you want to make your first $10,000 a month online. That would be a desired outcome. So your current situation is you're trying to market your business online, you're not making any money, and I'm going to take you to your desired outcome, which is making consistent 10K months online. What is your topic or niche? What are the problems you're solving within that niche? What is the current situation someone is in? What are they feeling? And where are you going to take them? What is their desired outcome? This transformation is key in being able to talk about your business. Now we know the topic or niche. We know what problem we're solving or what the current situation is and the desired outcome. Now we have to take a look at who we are solving the problem for. Obviously, the person has to have that problem for us to solve it, but a lot of people might have that problem. So who are we solving it for? This is where we start to look at people's gender, their age, their income, their education, their interests, specific problems they have, specific professions, right? I have a marketing program that is only for brewery owners. So we teach brewery owners how to grow their brewery and sell more beer utilizing meta ads and text message marketing. Okay, so that is very specific for brewery owners that have a problem of not being able to market online, and then their outcome is that we are going to help them make more money online, sell more beer. I want you to list out what are the characteristics, but also what are the interests. It's really important to understand. Oftentimes people's interests align more with who we're selling to than just the demographics. And then step 4 is going to be about putting it all together. Who do you help solve what problem to get what desired outcome? I help people who are overweight, or I help moms who are busy and overweight lose 10 pounds quickly. Okay, very simply just putting it all together to be able to say who you help, what problem you solve, and help them get their desired outcome. Step 5 is all about determining how you are going to solve that problem. Are you going to just do it for them? Are you going to offer it as a service for them? So if you're in accounting, you could just do the accounting for them instead of teaching them how to do it. Are you going to promote and sell a product that you create? Are you going to create a course or a coaching program or an ebook or a planner or a t-shirt, right? Are you creating the product and service and selling it? Or are you finding other people who already have the product or service that solves the problem you want to solve and selling that to your audience and making an affiliate commission off of it? So the fifth step is to determine exactly how you want to make money. Now, what I will say, when you are first starting out, I highly recommend you choose one. As you evolve your business, you can add additional streams of income. But the first one, you need to decide if you're doing it for them, if you're creating a product or service that will help solve the problem that you can sell, or if you're going to find an affiliate that already solves that problem and you're going to sell their stuff.
You see, combining digital marketing skills with actually solving a problem for people, knowing exactly the problem you solve, who you solve it for, and how to talk to them about the problem is the key foundations to making money online. But I want to let you know you don't have to do it alone. I started a free online community over on the school platform called The Mob, specifically for mom-owned businesses, where we teach you everything you need to know to start, build, and grow businesses online. We're going to take what you learned right here and not only give you the support you need to implement it, but expand on it, where you can find worksheets and other things to be able to actually take what you learned and put it into practice. So I hope you will join us over in The Mob.